Welcome to our video series exploring the many benefits of metal roofing. We'll explore what makes selecting a metal roof one of the smartest decisions for your home, including its durability, energy efficiency, and long-term value. From superior performance to industry-leading attachment solutions, we're breaking it all down, one topic at a time. Considering a new roof, here's why more homeowners and contractors are opting for metal. Unlike asphalt shingles, which typically require replacement every 10 to 15 years, a well-installed metal roof can last over 60 years, providing a lifetime of protection with just one investment. Metal roofs are also low maintenance. Unlike asphalt, metals are inert. They won't rot, cup, dry out, embrittle, warp, or collect fungus and insects. They're built to withstand Mother Nature year after year. When it comes to energy efficiency, metal roofing truly shines. Literally, it reflects solar heat, helping keep your home cooler and reducing air conditioning costs and energy use. And at the end of its long life, your metal roof doesn't need to end up in a landfill. No, it's 100% recyclable, making it a wise choice for your home and the planet.
I think more people are choosing metal roofs today for a couple of reasons. One, being aesthetics. I think that it has a modern, sleek look that more people like. And two is longevity of the roof. Lasts a lot longer, it's more resistant to the harsh weather we get here in Colorado, and less maintenance overall.
A lot of the granulars on the asphalt shingles get ripped off in the snow and the ice, kind of like a glacier effect. So whatever their potential 10 or 15 or 20 year warranty ends up being more like a 5, 6, or a 7-year warranty because all the granules are taken off. There's a whole lot of other problems in the Rocky Mountains, and I think that's why metal roofing has been so extremely strong for us in the 3 or 4 state area.
Metal roofing is tough, efficient, and sustainable. Simply put, it's the right way to roof. Upgrade to a roof that lasts. Choose metal. Learn more at s-5.com or with our friends here at Schafer Metals. Thank you for watching. We invite you to stay tuned for our next video in the series where we'll discuss the excellent benefits of metal roofing as a fire-resilient material, particularly in relation to wildfires.